Hello everyone, I'm Riddhi. Today I'm going to make white sauce pasta. White sauce pasta बनाने के लिए हम पहले पास्ता बॉईल करेंगे। पास्ता बॉईल करने के लिए हम किसी बड़ी कढ़ाई में पानी बॉईल करने के लिए रखेंगे। Now you can see the water has come to boil. We'll add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of oil so that our pasta doesn't stick with each other. Now we'll add 2 cups of pasta. Stir it lightly. Always cook pasta on high flame. It will cook evenly. After 5 minutes, stir your pasta lightly so that it does not stick to the bottom of your pan. Now you can see our pasta is boiled. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes to boil the pasta depending upon the size and shape of the pasta. We can check whether the pasta is boiled or not by cutting it with the knife, and it is getting cut easily. You can see it is firm and soft. Now we'll drain it. We'll not pour the left out water over the pasta since it contains starch and it will make the pasta very sticky. Now we'll add chilled cold water over the pasta so that it doesn't stick and we can keep it for a long time. Now we'll prepare the sauce of the pasta. We will add 1 tablespoon of ghee, some onions, some chopped capsicum, and mix it. Now add boiled corns, saute the vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes. We don't have to overcook the vegetables. These are done. Now we'll take out these vegetables in a bowl. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of butter. When butter gets melt, then add 2 tablespoons of maida in it. Stir it quickly on low flame so that it do not make lumps. When it becomes light brown, add 3 cups of milk to it. First, we'll add 1 cup of milk and mix it well. Now we'll add the remaining milk. Now we'll whisk it so that the lumps does not form. The consistency of the sauce should be moderate. It should not be very thick or thin. Now at this stage, we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and stir it. Now we'll add 1/4 cup of grated processed cheese and stir it quickly. Now we'll add the sauteed vegetables to it and mix it well. Now we'll add the boiled pasta and mix it well. You can see our white sauce pasta is ready to serve.